Man, guys, I don't know when was the last time I picked up the camera to vlog. I have a few videos that I just haven't uploaded. I haven't even edited them. Man, I've just been super crazy busy, guys. But not to worry, we do have another mod right here. We do have an adjustable panhard bar that I got shipped out by one of you guys. Once again, my subscribers. I picked it up for a steal of a price, so I'm gonna go ahead and install it right now. The car is in somewhat rough shape. Well, I don't want to say rough shape. It's still running good, thank God. No issues mechanically, but we do have some stuff that has happened due to the coilovers. Not the coilovers fault, pretty much it's my fault for lowering the car so low. And oh, I don't know if y'all heard that was terrible scrape. I'll go ahead and address them as soon as we get there. So this happened. I don't know if y'all can see this, kind of like rolled in a bit, and I am missing a chunk of tire. Look at this. I don't know if y'all can see. It's like
weight reduction.
Weight reduction. Yeah, so we lowered the car, of course, with the coilovers. I don't know if you guys remember. So I hit like a dip or something, and when the car dropped, I guess it rolled the inside of the fender, the inner liner, and I guess that part cut up the wheel, and this happened right here. It's pretty messed up. Y'all can see all this pulled down, the inside of it. I had like all this sticking out, and I had to like hit it back in. I think right now we're gonna take off the wheel, and I'm gonna just bend it in some more. This just like persuaded me just to do wide body now. It's either I get new fenders or I do wide body. So I think the wide body is a better option with it. I'm just really stressed out with this car, and the mirror covers are just getting toasted more and more every day. So is the roof. Let's see the other side. Quick walk around. We do have the panhard bar right here. Look at the roof, guys. It's terrible, horrible. Look at this. It's pretty much all white. This looks nasty. The car hasn't been washed. I mean, on camera it doesn't look that bad, but when you look close up, you can see it's pretty nasty.
You never wash it either way.
It's not like you wash it for me. Anyways, they do have the panhard bar. And if you didn't know, when you lower the car on springs and you don't have an adjustable panhard bar, your axle tends to shift, and I think mine shifted towards the left. I don't know if y'all can see. It's kind of tucked in, and then on the left side, it's just a little bit more. It's not that bad. With my old wheel setup, it was a lot more noticeable because this is a standard setup. It's 9.5 all around. The other ones were staggered, so you can see when the wheels would stick out a bit more. All this is gonna do is we're gonna adjust the axle once again, just straighten it up, and it should be good to go. Quick update, guys. He does have the rest of the exhaust. He did get what pipes? With the next pipe, vibrator. You would get the vibrator, wouldn't you? Mm-hmm. And another update: the car has not been able to turn on yet, guys, but there is power already. Let's see if I can show you guys. Yeah, but the car won't turn on. Nope. So we don't know what it is. He's been trying for a week, going through forums and everything, but no luck. Everything is set up. I don't think I've shown you guys since the last time we were here. Completely hooked up. Is there anything else that you need? Like any more?
I need the lower radiator hose, and I need to hook up the fans.
But that wouldn't play an issue why it doesn't turn on, right?
Nah.
No. So I don't know, guys. If you guys have any Fox body knowledge or have done a coyote swap before and this is happening to you, please let us know, because he said he's been trying for a whole complete week and no luck. All right, so we do have the panhard bar. It is J&M. It is brand new. The guy never installed it. So thanks, man. He comments on one of the videos. I emailed him, and we got a whole deal set up. Got it shipped out. Looks good. So we're gonna go ahead and just try to install this real quick. Should take maybe about 20 to 30 minutes. Just a few bolts, bolt it back on. Just make sure it's adjusted properly. And it's easier said than done, but let's get to it. Tacos.
If it's loose the other direction.
Where is it? And you need what, like sway bars?
The sway bar.
Which way? That way or towards you? Guys, so while he works on removing the stock panhard bar, you do have two 18 milliliter bolts. You have
millimeters,
my bad, not milliliters. Millimeters, my bad. One here and then one on the same side but on the opposite side. So to the rear, well actually this one's gonna be facing the rear, the other one's gonna be facing the front. 2 bolts and it just drops down just like that. As always guys, we're gonna compare. We got the stock one and the adjustable one. They look pretty much identical. I know there's some fancier looking ones like the BMR ones. They'll be like powder coated and stuff. This is just aluminum, so it's gonna be to your liking. This is the thing's a little bit cheaper than the BMR and those other brands. Gets the job done, so it's fine with us. So I think all we gotta do now is just make sure they're the same length. I think we gotta grease these and just bolt it back up. And guys, I gave him one job, was to record. Who's gonna be my camera guy, and he forgot to record. But anyways, we do have this side already installed. Same thing guys, just put it back, make sure you follow the holes, and then just put the bolt on. He is currently working on putting it over there. Here, hold it, camera guy.
I'm not used to holding things.
You don't mind when you hold this one. I think that's good.
Is that getting good?
More to your side. More. All right, hold it. Let's see. Yeah, I'm looking. Right here. Now go. Hold on. Go a little bit to the other side. So we are finished, guys. It is aligned to the best as our IC, but it's a lot better than it was before. This side was a bit more tucked in. So next we're gonna work on just lowering the rear just a bit more. We're gonna go ahead and wrap it up here. We did swap out the panhard bar. We did adjust it so both sides are equal. We measured it. Everything's perfect. We did try lowering down the rear, but I guess that time we installed the rear coilovers, we tightened them like extremely hard, so we couldn't. Like I even injured my arm on it. He wasn't able to do it. So we might leave it for another day, or I might just leave it like that for a while. Guys, just wanted to give you guys an update how the car's coming along. Stuff's still coming along. There's still stuff that's coming for the Stang, but as of right now, that's about it. Hopefully there's about a show or two I can attend and bring you guys with me, but I'll definitely catch you guys on the next one. God bless.